Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Kitchen things like apron, things I want you to be using, to be doing, to be cooking for daddy cool. I said, okay mommy, thank you. Now no apron had me to buy for this UK. So for me, I was just really expecting apron with the time.
Staring, I like that love. Now so staring be now only love she dey share. She will just come video go come share love for everywhere. Staring, my love, I love you, darling. Thank you so much for that.
Link. But behold, when I opened the bag, my God, I couldn't believe my eye. First, my eye jumped for the human like God.
Hey guys, Blessing here. Good
Please,
evening,
nobody
everyone.
show me
Happy
salt.
Sunday. How are you doing? So, just to tell you guys, this is going to be a very fun video. This is like catching cruise video kind of stuff. So, we are just going to take it with a pinch of salt. We are not going to think too deeply about it. Let's just relax and have a good Sunday with this video. I am here in the kitchen turning my fufu. So you might be hearing some background sounds. Just ignore. So you guys grab something to drink. Anyway, some of you might have seen what is happening with this dress. Like, I find it so hilarious. Okay. So how did it begin? Let me see who is here. Hello, Solomon, Pamela, Omo, Euronips, Daylight TV, Ida Zulu. Good evening. Thank you so much, Ida or Ida. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday. Can you guys help me share this video and maybe also give it a thumbs up so that our audience can grow? I think I'm just going to ignore the food for now.
Oh, really?
For now, it's going to be a very quick video just to catch cruise. And you guys don't take anything too seriously because these presenters, they also use us to catch cruise, to be honest. So
this is where I want to pause and talk on. You say just to catch cruise, these presenters, they also use us to catch cruise, to be honest. My imitator bought the gown. She wore it. The night, I must compliment her. She tried, you know. All of them, they laugh and say, you don't go fit her, you don't fit wear something like that. Even with all the waist trainer and everything she used to pack it. I saw it on Blessing video. I didn't even know that she did something like that. I didn't know, honestly. But I knew that she bought it. She celebrated it. She was happy when she got it. You know, she celebrated everybody. People were just celebrating with her, you know. But I never knew that she wore it, honestly speaking. I didn't know that she wore it. I knew she celebrated it, you know. Having it, it gives her kind of joy. It makes her happy when she received it, when she bought it and received it, because I knew she bought it. And another thing I want to tell you people is that after I come back from that party, I receive a lot of calls. I don't like normally playing record of people or bringing people to public. I should have done that. I would not like doing it for the benefit of, I don't know who, maybe not my fans or maybe not my enemies. I don't want to draw people's legs out. A lot of people called me for that gown. They were liking it. Oh, that gown is nice. That gown is nice. They love it. They love it. It's beautiful. It fits you. It's very, really beautiful, my people. It's not from online. You don't find it on AliExpress. You don't find it online. And if you find it online, it's definitely not going to look like my own. On that video, I saw the gown she was wearing. That's a short gown. It's not a long one. My own floats. My own, they flow. They flow for grand. So I will use it anytime. I'm on 9 days from now to 6 or 3 days time from now. When I come off for 9 days, from on Sunday, I'll be at home. For 6-7 days, I will also not be working. I'll find time to use it to take a very perfect picture, a very beautiful picture, and I will post it to the public so that you will see the length. Go and compare with what she was wearing. So there's a big difference. That one is number one. So number 2, she was happy about it. I believe maybe the time my fans brought that gown out, they now like use it to mock her because she's the one who always say, you copy me, you copy me. It's always coming from her, not from me. I've never said stuff to say, why are you copying me? I don't have that time. I love it when people copy me. I'm a role model. When you copy me and do what I'm doing, it will only make me laugh and smile. I won't cry about it at all. But because that was her kind of mentality, she loves stuff like that, competition stuff, like Miss Happy. She's the one who originated copy stuff on social media. Maybe that is why people who also follow me, who are dedicated to my videos and stuff, they also use it to like mock her, to say, oh, why are you celebrating gown where Mama Rita don't already wear go party? All right, she says she saw it like apron and whatever and so. Blessing Joe. Before I talk on that apron aspect, let me analyze what apron means to you people. Let me tell my followers, my fans, now where they fight since concerning that video. That's a completely nothing video. It's a nothing video. Let me tell you how I see that video after watching Blessing Joe video. The short script with Blessing Joe put for there. For inside that video, let me tell you people how I see it so that you can know me better and know the kind of person that I am. Things that trouble me and things that don't even get to me at all. All right?
It's not that deep. Yes. So just wave hi, drop a comment, let me know you're here. Anyway, this whole thing is started like some days ago when Monica posted this picture with the caption, "My people, will you believe this is a gift? Oh my God." She said, "I deserve it." Oh, I didn't put the rest of it. Okay, anyways, she posted this thingy, this picture, and there are 2 dresses, one silver dress and one greenish kind of dress with a very long wig, a blonde. It looks blondish, orangish. I really don't know.
So if you listen to Blessing Joe video over there, what she posted, my imitator posted that she received a gift, according to her. She said the gift, oh, I deserved it. Did you see that? I deserved it. That was her comment. That was her remark. When she collected it, she said, of course you deserved it. Everyone deserves everything that is beautiful. Everyone deserves everything that is good. You know, with the suffer for social media, everything that is good, you deserve it. I also deserve good things. That is why I walk into the shop. I never go online to look for 50 euro gown. If you ask her, maybe she might tell you. I don't normally tell people how much I buy my things. But honestly speaking, when a party like that dey grand, I would definitely not go and buy a gown of anything lower than 200 euros. To go and buy it, let me wear it, you know. I don't wear it. But whether a gown costs 200 euro, 500 euro, 1000 euro, if you are already a person who is in the public, you definitely not use it to the party 2 times or 3 times. So that gown, whether she uses it wherever she uses it, I'll definitely not use it again to a public place like that. Next time, another one I want to go buy. Why am I working? Why am I on social media? Why am I making money? Why am I hustling? Why am I suffering? You know? So, it either goes to my mother or it goes to my goddaughters. Any one of them who love it. After I am satisfied of using it. When I'm satisfied, I normally say it the way I am. I love that dance so much and I continue to love it. And let me tell you, her behavior towards that gown was not wrong. There was nothing wrong about it. But you are not seeing it the way I am seeing it. She used it to say, I want to use it to cook. This is my apron. You know why she did that? Because fans came out to attack her. Fans came out to come and be bringing it out to say, oh, you go imitate. So she just wanted to make a mountain out of a main sand. She loved the gown. She admired and she said, I deserved it. That was her first word. And that was the word she wrote in the public to say she deserved it. All right? And let me also make you people to know that cooking is not a bad thing. Cooking is not a bad thing. She has been cooking with all her beautiful clothes. All the clothes that she has in her closet has been for cook. They have been all apron right from day one. She has been using them to cook. I've never seen her in any party for the past 2 years since she left her friend. She has never been to any party. So, obviously, that is the place that is most, you know, she wore the gown in a place that is very more beautiful. The most beautiful place in the house where she lived, that is the place where she wore that gown. She never rubbished that gown. Most of you thought she rubbished it. No, that gown was honored, in my own opinion. And this is my analysis. When you see, if I hate a person, if I don't like a person, I'll never wear what they wear. One thing, I will never use what you use on my body. Seeing you in the public, you wearing it, for me to go and wear it, I will never try such a thing. I will not put it on my body. Not be even joke. I not go try am. One. Number two, cooking is good. After life, after you have taken breath, you need to eat. You need to eat your food. And you know how ogbono soup is so special to our men, African men. She have an African man inside the house. Ogbono soup is special to the man. Her kitchen is special to her. Her husband is special to her. Food is the source of life. So when you eat, and every good woman, and every beautiful African woman, every good woman where they think, not be only to wear something enter the kitchen, can't they cook for your husband. If you are really a woman who value your husband, you value your home, now God, you even supposed to cook for your husband safe. The best good way you get for your wardrobe. Now you go wear. When you wear and finish, wear the correct cloth finish, you will take cook for your husband. If you love your husband so much and you admire, or you will use it, you will do something like that for your husband. So I didn't see it. The gown was wore at the right place. Number one, I love where she wore it. She never wore it inside the toilet. She never pieces it. She never threw it to the bin. But she wore it in the place that is so dear to her in her heart. I am not talking to you, Blessing, and my fans, who are seeing the action as something so big. You are seeing it as something so like, oh, it's nothing, my people. It's nothing. Take it out of your mind and drop it in the bin. My imitator wore my gown. Definitely, they didn't do that gown for only me in the market. They did it for broad range of people. It's for everyone. If you go to market, you see a person wearing something and you like it, you will also buy it and you will wear it. She wear it in the kitchen. Kitchen is the heart of every woman and is the heart of every husband. If I wear my beautiful clothes when I get for closet, I can't use and cook for my husband. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't pepper anyone. And I didn't even do anything special that has never been done before. That is even the best place you're supposed to wear one of the beautiful clothes that you have in your closet. To cook for the man that you love. One. Number two, apron carries a special respect. When you want to talk about apron carries a special respect. The job aprons does, ordinary party dress cannot do it. So aprons, in most cases, they need to be respected. We Africans, we are the people. If we go and buy apron, they will buy it and buy it and buy it, different sets, different color. They will hammer it, they will pack and put for one place. They will go to take the one with they love for them. You know, they specialize apron even more than dresses. The way they honor their own dress in their closet, that is how they honor aprons. There was absolutely nothing special about that scene. There was absolutely nothing so dramatic and about that scenario. I didn't see anything special over there. You see? So, cooking for her husband was good for her. She cherished it. She loved it. I believe after wearing that gown, that even her husband would say, wow. Her children would say, wow, you look good. You look beautiful. You know? But she just wanted to be like, ooh, let me make it loud so that my people will say it's an apron. My dear, apron is a good thing. When you use apron to cook in the place that is so special to you, the place that is dear to you in your heart, you have not done wrong to anyone. You have not done anything bad. At least, after all, that place has been your best place since the beginning of your UK, wherever. So even the clothes, you won't tell me that my dress is the most beautiful or is the most expensive cloth that has ever had your kitchen. For you to want to make it look like, oh, I want to rubbish this shirt. Meaning all the ones you have been wearing, they were not special to you. They wasn't expensive. They wasn't nice. They wasn't special. So I believe there is a special attachment that she carried in her heart concerning that gown to say, oh, this gown is special. She thought it was special to me. That gown wasn't too special to me. I never even knew the speciality of that gown until now, honestly speaking. I just knew that a party is coming up. I don't want to wear something too unusual. Things people can just walk into the shop and go and get. I didn't want it. Let me just go to the shop. I always say it here. If you follow me on live video, I don't buy online clothes. Now where they follow me, you know it. I know they buy clothes where they say the next person you just wear and go be like national flag. I only go into the shop. I just pay for my clothes. I get it. And I don't get it to do competition with anyone, honestly speaking. I get my clothes. If you look at the kind of body that I have, it's original clothes, now they fit me. Anybody that have my body type, you are big, you are getting matured already. You need original clothes. If you don't wear anything original, you will look different in your dressing when you go out. That is why I normally like going to the shop, trying my things. If they are okay for me, then it's fine. I'll wear it and I'll go to wherever I'm going to. I don't have a problem with it. That wasn't anything special, blessing. Don't make a mountain out of a main sound.
Hello? Let me see if I can find the rest
I
of
saw
that
bring water for me.
screenshot. I'm going to post it once I get it. So she posted this one, and that was when all hell broke loose because someone thought that she was simply copying someone else. Okay? I'm sure we all have seen all of this. Anyway, so it started here. And why I think the whole chaos came about is because of that green dress, that green white or green cream dress. I really don't know. That is simply because Rita ayemiomo, who is not really best friends with Monica, also wore the same dress like a month ago. She wore it to an event, Esther Edokbai's show in Germany.
Yeah, I wore it to Esther Edokbai's show in Germany because I love the gown. All right, not because people were thinking that is one of the best clothes you have. I bought it for the first time. I just entered the shop. If any show is coming up this time around, I will also do the same thing. I'll just go into the shop, get what I like, what I'm comfortable in, and I will wear it. And after wearing it, you might not see me again in a big party. Maybe I can use it to evening dinner, whatever, with my husband, which I've even done since when I come party. I don't use it and go evening. I don't use it and go dinner with my husband because we normally attend all this. You know that they always, he's not a Nigerian. He have his own people who also invite him in evening, eat dinner, whatever. I'll just wear it. And the ladies over there will say, oh, we saw this online. It was so nice. I've used it once since I come back from party. So there's definitely nothing special about that, blessing. I just want to clarify this video to you.
Who the Zuzu? Okay, so that's actually a very beautiful dress. Actually, yes, it is a beautiful dress. So she wore it to that party like nothing was wrong. Let's see another video.
If you know me very well, the kind of person I am, I love dancing. Not because I wear better dress or want something special. Even for house, if I wear ordinary, even if I tie wrapper, sometimes if I can't live video, some people will say, why you not the dance? You put music, I'll sit down, say, now dance like this. Since even if I clean my house, I do stuff. I love dancing. Dancing is just like a hobby to me. Even if say na rag I wear, I must dance. If I have even when I went to a Demonfi party, they say clothes where I wear no good. What did I do? Did you see me dancing? I stay one place. I couldn't stay one place. I danced the whole time. That is me. That's my character. It's my behavior. If you know me, it has nothing to do with because you are wearing this gown. I didn't even know that gown is special until now. Now I can't know say the gown even special safe. I don't know. My own was just that I wear gown. Very and say I born before I my people. My own be say I just wear gown. I go party. I went to feed myself. See my husband sitting close to me was so cute for me. I was happy. I love the whole stuff. I never even know that it's making some people to feel, oh, it's a special gown. It's the one that is best to take betting. No, I was not having it. I just went there. I bought it. I love it. I took it home and I wear it to a party, which I have long awaited. I was waiting for Esther to see her for the first time. And I wore that dress to that party, and I love it. So, listen to the analysis of blessing. I don't want to be too faster than that.
Okay, so that is a very beautiful dress, like I said, and Rita was there really enjoying her dress and rocking it and really feeling cool, feeling funky in her dress. But this dress eventually became an apron, which I find crazy. But how did it all come about? Okay, so after Monica posted this picture that you guys see here, this fan, I believe Rita's fan, because she has Rita's picture, if I can see that very well.
It shocked them.
It shocked them. That
Now that it shocked them, now you, oh. Now you blessing say it caused this wahala, so. It shocked them when I was say wahala Naruto da.
is the profile name of that person. And you guys, commenters and fans, you guys cause the biggest problems on social media. You guys are not the biggest problem, so but you guys cause, like, you guys generate new sagas. You guys are the unlighting, like the
Blessings. This is one the place that makes me to answer this video is because of this very particular 2 minutes slit where they inside. So say you guys are the starters of saga. You was accusing it shocked them. Blessing, I don't like that, you know. To me, honestly speaking, it's a very huge disrespect. Please, I've never disrespected you one day on social media. Even as I'm analyzing your video, I love them. Blessing, if you will love not to accuse my followers anymore, I'll respect you more, please. All right? I don't like it. You are also a generator of saga. If you see say people do video, drop and leave them, is it your own? Did they use you to analyze the video? Did they give it to you? It's not your own. So you are also what do they call it? A saga orator. That's what you are. Do you know that we that are using it to cash cruise, we never put you inside. We know what we do. When somebody use me cash cruise, I use an cash cruise. It's having no dirty intention or it's having no anything intention. You will not go there to go and elaborate it and be saying, you know, you love saga, Blessing. You love it so much. But I don't want you to be accusing people who are like you. There's no difference between you and it shocked them. It shocked them, saw something that they were doing to the mama and she don't like it. And she got angry, or he got angry, whoever the person is. And he went online and started to blow his mind out, saying, you don't like this one. So it's the same thing that you are also doing. Yeah? You are just like it shocked them, Blessing. So don't accuse my followers anymore. I don't like
root cause of most of the sagas we have today. Anyways, this person just posted this and posted Rita's picture beside Monica's picture. And
somebody say, why not the fear Blessing? Fear who? Please go and find the place. I hope that is not you, Blessing, that is saying those rubbish over there. I love your analysis. I've given you accolade 1 or 2 or 3 times. Even on this video, I still give you accolade. But one thing I want to clarify to you is the meaning of apron and how I see the whole scenario. Because I never even knew that somebody like that, she wore my dress. I thought she bought it. I know that she bought it. I never knew, say she wear it. It's you, your video, now can make me know, say she wear herself. I don't even know, because somebody like me, I will not wear a gown. That a person that I regard to be my enemy, I don't like you. I will not wear it. And I didn't even see her action as wicked or bad or evil. Some people will do worse than that. Do you know that some people will take scissors? If you really hate a person, I see her as a person who just admire me and she don't want to admit it. You know? If you know, some people will go to the extent of carrying scissors and they will tear it into pieces. If you really hate a person, I'm just saying, tear it into pieces. The pieces of the gang go many for grand. Go use until they clean ash one they put for toilet. That is what we call a person that you hate and a gun that you don't want to use anymore. If you still use and you can dash it to somebody after wearing it. Me, that is the original owner of something like that. Why won't I use it next time? And you'll see me slaying it next week to use it to take my picture. Didn't I buy it with my money? I don't have that kind of mentality, Blessing. My mentality is pass. It's far bigger than what you think. I don't think childish like that to say somebody is wearing my gun somewhere in the kitchen. So me, I will not use it again. That gun, somebody somewhere else is using it to do marriage. Why some other people are using it to clean is they are just using it as curtains. Waiting we be Africans, they value. Some other person is busy using it to do cutting in their house. All these laces that we are wearing, abadan material. Some other people don't use it. It's a cutting in their homes. What did they never see before? So I don't want you to place more emphasis on it. To say like, oh, this gown, oh, that. Come on, Blessing. Don't be too naive for no reason.
You know that these people are not best friends. So what were you expecting with this post, Madam? It choked them. Anyways, this profile wrote, then they copy me, then they copy me. Who is copying who? No need to lie, Linus Umba. We know, say no big gift. The gown choke you, so you go run, find them, bye. Okay, let's analyze this whole thing. So I know it's been going around like a lot on social media. People saying, copy me, and me first do am. Like, I just find that really childish and ridiculous. Like, who is copying who? Like, whatever anyone does today, someone else has done it before. Yeah, so you're not the inventor.
Thank
As
you.
long as you're not the one who thought out and innovated and invented an idea or a dress or a
Thank
color
you.
or anything, you don't have the trademark to it. It is not on your name.
Thank
You've
you.
not signed a patent for it.
Thank you.
So that someone else uses that same thing that you used doesn't necessarily mean they copied you.
Thank you so much.
Like, where did it start from? Like, someone just wears something. Like, when they made that dress, they didn't make it for one person.
It wasn't done for Rita alone.
Whoever designed and made that dress and put it on the market, they didn't have one person in mind.
Nice.
They just want as many people as possible to buy that dress.
Yeah.
So the fact that one presenter buys it doesn't mean another presenter shouldn't be comfortable enough to buy it. And that doesn't...
Like, be comfortable enough to buy it. People are saying they love it here, they like it, they like it. You see, when you shit yourself from what you want, after she had wore the gown and used a lot of gedu to pack her tummy, she was, she was okay. I couldn't lie. Me, I don't feel like she was okay. She was better than some of the gowns which they wear before, where they make her belly the big like this. Maybe she never believed in herself. She never thought that after wearing that gown, she can actually wear something like that. She just wanted to try. But she was just dramatizing and over-emphasizing it, like whatever. If you want me to talk about the character of that woman, I've said it before, I will not be repeating it and repeating it. The character of that woman is, if you look at her, she acts childish. Not be say she really get that evil mind like that. She acts childish. Other people will not wear that gown. They will not put it on their body. That's why I see her like a child. Sometimes I see her character compared to the character of my daughter, small pikin. Now in be. Now so it they behave in most cases. She just behave too childish. She want to blow things out of proportion, making it too mighty, something that is not even anything. You love a gown already, you wear it already. You put it to your kitchen already. You use it to cook for your own husband already. So if it's an apron and you use it to cook for your husband sit down to receive the food and eat it, which you have always been doing. Food is the source of light. We don't use it to shit for toilet. We don't use it to do anything. All right. That's the party you normally attend anyway. You don't go to party. You don't go out. So I don't see anything big in that one. I don't want my fans to be making it too big on social media. They are not making it too loud to say, your dress, you go use that. That dress was not made for only me. It was made for everyone. You know how many people don't come into my inbox? So, Mama Rita, that dress, many people did. And even her people, when they were looking for the gown, they were all busy calling me, asking me to say, where do you buy it? Where do you buy it? They wanted to make I even knew, blessing, we are in the game together. Don't think that we don't know all these things. These are things you expect. They are not new things. If they drive motor, you are expecting not to one day have a breakdown with your car, meaning you don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing. So this is something that every normal presenter who know what they are doing on social media, when you are into stuff like what we are doing already, give me, I give you. These are things you expect. This is a daily life. It's something that you should be expecting. So when I saw it in the video, the only thing I was just doing is that I was just passing out my smiles and laugh. But nevertheless, she tried for the way she take back belle. I know Sabi talk like I will give her accolades. She tried, the gown fits her. And she used it to cook for the man that she loved. She just wanted to see how she will also look inside. If Rita can dress on this gown, look so cute like this and look so beautiful. I was clocking up to 2,000 likes on that video. Let me also see how I'm going to look. That was just the whole idea behind it. But the gown was short. My own was not like that. If I use it to take picture, you see the difference between mine and her own. My own is just an evening gown. Even if I wear 16 inches, put it still the flow for ground. But she was wearing loafers on her own, and it was already a short gown. So on that one, I'll just find one time to use it to take a very cute picture. But it's unfortunate that day. Now inside how I can't take picture. I'm not using and take one kind fine picture. Who know would like that kind of evening gown? Go say won't go wear her. Who know would like her? Unless person will not get imitating spirit. You don't really get all those imitating something for your mind. You don't want to show it to people. You say, But other people will buy it, they will use it, they will not come and put it on social media for you to see. So she didn't do anything special. Blessing. All right?
That doesn't mean they are copying the other presenter. If they go ahead and buy it, they just might like the dress. They just even might be inspired by what they see or whatsoever. Or I don't know. And in this case, Monica didn't even buy it. She said that she was gifted. And I honestly don't think she bought the dress. I don't think she bought it. Of all dresses, something that someone who is not best friends with you already wore. I honestly don't think she bought it. With the hair and everything. Of course, Monica makes hair. She sells hair. So yeah, I don't think she bought it. I think she was gifted, and she also mentioned the name of the person. So
I believe you, Blessing. Let me tell you one thing about my imitator. My imitator normally knows how to look down people very well. To say, oh, you don't reach my class. If it's a person where be say she don't really like, she don't they admire, she's not having this inner admire, she's not admiring me. She will never wear what I wear. Believe you me, whether not to do drama. If I want to dramatize a person I don't like, I don't buy what they buy. I don't wear what they wear. I don't have time to be going to the market, taking all those energy, looking for it in the market, making meeting, come they call people. People will not be saying we want to, a whole scenario and drama for just nothing. I'll just wear something that look like that to mimic the person to do a video. I can go inside my house and look for what looks like that. I'll just use and mimic them. I've mimicked 2 people like that on social media. I don't wait and be going around waiting to say, let me order to go and buy what they buy. To go come and wear the same thing before I will come and mimic them. Or before I will come and try to. That one is a whole lot of journey and it's too far. The journey is too big for me to get myself involved in because I want to shame a person. Never. She just wore that gown because she loved it. And she wore it at her best place, her best location, the best place in the house where she had, which is the kitchen. And you people know how kitchen was like to her. She was always attacking people who do videos inside kitchen, who do things inside kitchen and stuff like that. She was seeing the kitchen of other people flaunting, and she waited for that opportunity to have a like kitchen, something like that, where she can also, show to the world who have better thing where no one show my people. I don't like people when people say don't show, don't show. And a lie. If you are saying you are not showing your own, it's because you don't have it. People who have good things, they normally show it. And you see, since she is able to acquire a kitchen like that, she don't stop and going there. She don't stop doing video there because it gives her a sense of belonging to the class of other people who have beautiful kitchen. What were you expecting? So she didn't wear the gown in the toilet. She didn't wear it and tear it and use it to tear. That would have been when person go say, hey, use her and go toilet. He tear her into pieces. He can't dash her or he can't throw her for dustbin. That's what I call wicked art. What she did to me was absolutely not wicked. I don't want you to overemphasize this and make it look like something that is absolutely nothing. All right? She wore the gown that she loved. She admired on a person that she secretly loved. And she wore it at her best place. And she used it to cook her best meal for the man that she loves. That's exactly what happened over there. And nothing more.
I think Madam Mojisola, that is the person who, bought it. So this, it showed them, like, look at what you've caused now. You guys, we are catching cruise. So this is just a fun video. Don't take it to heart. Like, I've not been reading comments though, but let's just relax and enjoy our Sunday evening while I make my fufu. So, but you know why I'm not going to blame this? It choked them too much because she or he didn't start this. It copy me. Yeah. If we remember very well, Monica's people have also previously accused Rita of copying Monica.
Thank you so much. They've always. So that's why you see, it shocked them. It not be person wey not know wetin they do. It's a honest and a humble follower of me who don't only watch me on social media. She know wetin dey happen for social media. I fight, but I don't cause a fight. I don't start a fight. But that does not mean that I don't fight on social media. But I fight, but I don't start it. You see? The matter of copy me started from them. Or maybe they don't understand the meaning of doing a thing after a person have done it. They thought that everyone... people who don't believe in themselves are always afraid of... They're always afraid of competition. In this life, the only thing I believe that will ever remain is competition. In any business that you do, you are going to find competitors. Competitors will come. So if you have started doing something, don't be afraid, or don't let the fear of the other person growing to be making you to be having BP. Your BP will be increasing to say, if this person can't grow, be like me. If the person can't grow, be like me. If the person can't grow, be like me. If person can't be like me, person can't be like me. Before you know it, the person go can't get as big, go can't grow past me. It's not like that. The only thing that is constant in life is change. And competitor, you will always meet it. Even for marriage, people know they meet competitor. When you are in marriage, you meet women who wants to compete with you and take your husband from you. You meet side chick who want to outclass you. You will meet competitors everywhere in your life. So me, we be Rita, I don't take anything competitor to be like something something that is so serious. So I'm be afraid of the young ones coming to come and outclass me. I don't want to notice the young ones. I don't want to notice them, except when they come looking for my help. Help me do something like this. Help me do something like that. Yeah? I will not descend so low. A person that I say, I don't like this person to even wear what you are wearing. What the public already gave you 2,000 likes for already. I'll go and put it on my body. I call it descending so low. I will not do it, Rita. Although I'm too young on social media, I do it very young. I just come. I will not do it. Even if I want to mimic you, I will just wear something that look like that. I won't put that thing that you wear on my body.
Like they'll be like, yeah, because Monica did it, you are also doing it. But you guys should not forget that it's not Monica that started something entirely on social media. I know you guys might be like, how do you say that? Limiting it to our community. Like, okay, maybe the Nigerian community, and you think, okay, within our Nigerian community or Edo community, she is the one. I don't know. I don't know if you guys follow every Edo person. There are so many Edo people who don't do saga, who maybe you people don't follow. And those people might have done many of the things that many presenters are doing today. The fact that the person you are following just did it doesn't mean that person is the first one. There might have been other people that have done it before them that you don't follow, that you don't know about.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just like when I think Monica was monetized on Instagram, and then Rita also announced that she was going to go live on Instagram. Of course, people from Monica's camp were like, oh, copy, you don't do wrong, go Instagram because Monica monetized. And then when it was Monica's birthday, you guys remember, it was on Para News. And then when it was Rita's birthday also, her fans took it to the same news outlet, like they took it to the same guy. And of course, social media went agog, like, Rita, must you do everything where you do?
Now they cry.
But
now they cry about all those things. So it's not really a problem to me, or it's not really a problem for us. So, you see, it's not really a problem for us at all. For somebody to wear what I wear, or to do what I do, or to wanna, no, it's not a problem for me, blessing. I don't have a problem, and you will never see me crying over it to say, why did you wear what I wear? Why did you do what I do? There's nothing that I started. No one started anything on social media. All right. So, blessing, I will advise you not to be blowing this out of proportion at times. You want to blow it and make a maze sound, to want to make it a mountain, to be like, no. My imitator wanted to just have she wanted to feel the cloth on her, how it looked like, how it will feel like, fit her, how I won't tummy, because she was surprised. She didn't see tummy, nothing. Because the dress really packed my tummy. Be like say I never born one. So every person, especially people who get imitating character like that, they also want to a competing character, they want to wear it and see how it will look on them. And to her, she was thinking to say, oh, that gown is too special to me. Never. There was nothing special to me about that gown. I just entered market, I wear it. I'm sorry you saw it as special. I am sorry. Maybe it was the fitting on me that make you saw it as special. To me, it wasn't even special at all. It wasn't special. Since when I come from that party, I don't use and go another place. And I have so many other gowns like that for inside house. I wear one yesterday, which is red, where I do my video yesterday. Also, that one is another party gown. The reason why I don't wear it to public is that it don't get long hand. You know, I just wore it once, but a long time. I have so many gowns like that where it be say na long time where I get body. If you now see that gown, in fact, where I get body now when I don't reduce because at the born, I don't come they wear them like that. If I they bring them out now, who say I go to say now and buy them. All right, but that one I just sent a show by go buy them. It's nothing special, blessing. There was nothing for you to analyze about there. If you didn't even carry the video and be analyzing it, I never even knew that she wore the gown. I saw it in your video to know that she wore it.
But at the end of the day, you guys shouldn't also forget that it wasn't Monica who put herself on Parana, it was her fans. And it wasn't also Rita, although there are some people are also saying that no, Rita did it herself. She paid the guy herself to put her there. She's just lying that, well, allegedly lying that her fans did it for her. And also, I don't think Rita paid for it. Like, I don't know how people do their own competition. If I were to pay for something like that, I would go and look for someone bigger than that guy. Why would I use the
Thank
same
you.
guy that you used? If I'm in a competition with you, I would want to beat you at that game, if that makes sense.
This one will take me back to what Blessing said before to say, fans and followers, the way you people create problem on social media, the way you people create issue on social media is somehow. Pararan News, I don't clear on the other day how I got to know about Pararan, that something like that is happening. I have a WhatsApp group called Insiders. They took me there and they celebrated me. I knew that she was celebrated over there, but I never knew that they were going to celebrate me over there. So by the time they celebrated me, I also say, oh, they posted it to me to say post it. I posted it. I don't have a problem. So I'm sorry if it hurts them and it made them cry. It has nothing to do with imitation or doing what you did. Never. At least Pararan need money now. He has been celebrating people every day. So if people were celebrated before you and they will continue to be celebrated before you. My gown was worn by other people before me. And you also like it and you choose to wear it. So if fans and followers are blowing it out of proportion to make it big, to say, why you go wear with Rita wear? I'm sorry if they treated you like that, and for that reason, you can't use gown where you like. You want to make it look like, and you love it and you admire it. I'm sorry it make you feel all those, you pass through all those stress. I never knew all those things. I never knew that all those things happen. I don't know that they treated you like that. Maybe it's because what they see you also doing to me, they also saw that you are treating me bad, and they also decided to treat you in that same manner. So I'm sorry if it make you feel bad and you are not like spoiling what you like. You see me wearing my own, I'll still continue to wear my own. When I get tired of it, I'll go and give it to whoever I like. Maybe my mother, who normally use my things after I finish, or my goddaughter. I not be that kind of person where you go say, person use my this thing take cook, I'll just go through where I know where I get. Some people say, shame, not go let it wear it again. Why not? The gown that I bought with my money, do you know how much it is? It's expensive. When I am tired and finish wearing it, I'll just give it to the person that I love. All right? The person that comes from my heart to say, let me give it to. Anyone with my heart carry. I will give her to them. That is it. It shouldn't be a topic with blessing. Yeah, blessing safe. You don't even get work. Now, the way we be, now you be for this social media, you must wait for every situation to leak from our shit. Why are you always like that? Anyway, like I said before, you are doing a great job. All right? Until one day, we go change everything for your hand. I don't know when it's going to be, but definitely it's going to happen. You're doing a great job, but it will change everything for your hand one day. The only thing that is constant is change, all right?
So I don't think Rita also paid herself, yeah? Anyway, so after this...
Even that gown self, where she went and finished, she was not wearing only what I wore that day. If you see, she was wearing the things that the people she admire on social media wore. She wore my dress and she was wearing Lolo's hair. Didn't you see it? So, I don't know. She just wore my gown. She was wearing Lolo hair. And these are the two people that she admire. And these are the people that they fear when it comes to always afraid of. I am not afraid of anyone. I'm not afraid of anybody on social media to say, maybe they will come group past me. Maybe they will come do this one. No. She just wore exactly what the people that she have fear and the people that she admired, she secretly admire. Her admirers. She wore what her admirers wore. So, if you are seeing as if she can't wear apron, she can't do this one, meaning all her beautiful clothes inside her house, they are all apron, because the only place where she wear beautiful clothes is the kitchen. That's the only, since for the past 2 years, since Patty stopped with her friend. The last time she visited Patty was when she went with her friend. What's happened to taking your husband and going for his stroll and wearing, let's see what you're going to wear. If you're going to wear gold, let's see it. It has never happened. You know, even when you are going somewhere with your husband restaurant, you are wearing ordinary normal thing. You are not wearing that stout fit to be like, oh, wow. You know? So for that reason, there is nothing special in that scenario. That scenario was just a reaction, and she tried to it was a reaction from the pushing of he shook them. You know? He shook them, night push and wait, be say gun, wait, be say he like he won't use one thing, he can't go they use until they cook, he can't go they humiliate her own gun, where she put a lot of emphasis to. I went to party more than 2 months now. I came back from party, blessing. Is it up to 2 months? Never they go 2 months since when I come back from party. So I can't imagine myself sleeping inside my house. Somebody is still busy looking for my gun everywhere to wear it so that I can use it to cook in the same kitchen where you cook for your husband every day. Yeah? So there is nothing special about that one. So I believe I'm still leading.
This lady or man wrote all of this. Spirit Godson took it upon herself to, well, I copied this one from Aproko, Gossip, Godfather, yes. Yeah, so Spirit got sent. Let's see what she wrote. She said, Rita ayemiomo TV. I first know say teeth they pain Rita, and she carried the teeth to Ogiogun to use to use chain repair the teeth. I still know say whatever before she
Now yeah, I even know say that one even post safe blessing. Inside this your video, now I even see and say now I even see and say that one post. I don't follow them. No normal person will follow the place where you are being bullied. You don't see them. Maybe all this my fans and all this my followers. Now then they see them. Sometimes if they send that to me and they laugh, I can't call the person back and say, why did you decide to send me something like this? I don't already tell them, say, I will regard you as an enemy if you sent me what I did not ask you for. Then you are an enemy, you are not a friend anymore. So most of the things they do, it has nothing to do with me saying, now made them do one or never. I don't do that. The reason why I don't do that is that video and audio evidence of people doing stuff, it flies around on social media. So tomorrow the person can turn against me and decide to come and be publishing my conversation, be publishing what I discuss with them. I don't know these people who are under fake accounts. How many fake accounts? If I am even having fake account, how many will I use? Will I be using the whole one in this life? Only me go just they use all of them, they go. I don't get work again where I want to. All right. I didn't even know that that person that you are mentioning the name here, I don't even know that the person posted. Now here I can't even see and say, oh, the person posted. They were even making this thing looking like a Isha. Really? I won't measure feel in a long time. Even if my imitator wear it, she wore it after I wore it. There's nothing special about it. Our bini anything where you use, when person use it after you, the person just use it after you have used it. Esther party was special to me. I used a beautiful and a nice super gown, and my imitator decided to wear it after me. And whatever she used it to do is her fucking business because I didn't pay for it. It's her money. All right? That's her. It's her own gown that she used like that, not mine.
How these two gowns take be the same is what I'm simply trying to figure out. Normally my eyes sharp past razor blade, but here I still can't see how these two gowns are the same. No more topic, so they must come out with one meaningless thing for their followers. So I'm like, Spirit got sent. Why are you even directing your story to Rita? Rita didn't post this. One of her fans did. So why are you calling her name here? Huh? Okay.
Most people follow me, blessing. They follow me bomber to bomber. I didn't know that she wore the dress anyway, but I knew that she was celebrating heavily. She was celebrating very heavily about it when she got the gown. I knew the gown I have. I knew their comments when I wore that gown. I knew the way they were like, oh, they were like putting it down, but I know they love it. People cannot attack what you are wearing when they don't love it. They normally attack what you are wearing when they love it. To say, you don't fit you. This is social media. This is how we normally do. You don't fit you. You don't do this one. You do that one. Your nails too flat. Your nails too go inside. Your nails do that one. That's it. I knew that they wear it. Are we not in the same game together? I knew that one of them would definitely go and get it and wear it. And I knew that she will also wear it even before she wore it. So when she buy her, person want to take cook way not like, waiting me not like, waiting I not like, to start with, I will not buy it. If a fan buy it for me, I will not wear it. I'm telling you the truth, blessing. This is my character. If I don't like you, you are a presenter on social media, I will never go and buy what you buy and wear it. And use it to cook for my own precious husband. If I me women as done that's an insult. It's an insult. I would definitely not do something like that. I will not do that. So it takes for me to say, oh, I really like this thing. You know how children are now. I believe after wearing that, their children will say, wow, mama, you look good, you look beautiful. So she was just trying to exaggeration because all the fake account don't they draw her up and down. She was just trying to exaggerate and say, you know, to go and make her gown look like what she cannot wear tomorrow. Because I'm the original owner of the gown, I can still wear it to wherever I want to wear it to wherever I feel like wearing it to. And the difference is going to be clear because mine is a long gown and she wore a short gown. You know, she wore short gown. Maybe she didn't see my feet well for party that day. Made them wear everything look like that for her. My own, they flow. It be like wedding gown. They flow for grand. Her own was just short. There's a big difference, blessing. If I wear it, you are going to also see it again. Now, so it be.
okay, fine, it's Rita's fan, and the fan put Rita's picture, but why are you trying to blame Rita for what she probably didn't send someone to do? I don't know if she's the one behind the account, but we don't have proof that she's the one. So, and here Spirit was more or less saying the dress Monica posted is not the same one Rita wore. So the dress on the right, this sleeveless one, is what Spirit is trying to make us believe Monica posted.
All this Spirit, let me tell you something, Blessing. Even Spirit, whatever, I don't know what you call her name. That one did not even believe that her mother would descend solo. I'm telling you, she never believed it. To say my mother would descend solo the way they look at her, can't go buy with it, can't go find with it that buy for market, can't wear her for body, she never believed it. That is why she just brought something else according to your video. Yeah, she brought something else to bring it out to say like, is this the same thing? Come and look at it. She was defending her mother, believing too much in her that she would never descend so low to wear what Rita wear. That was their belief. Just the way where they tell my fans now to say, if I don't like you, I will not wear what you are wearing. One day they will not see me celebrating that thing that the person has worn. We don't wear through away. You don't use and go party with sweetie belly. You don't throw away and for grand. They will not see me celebrating it. They will be like, wow, what is this woman? Does she know what she's doing? That's what happened. That's why that person could not even update since when you see Mama wear that. Yeah, you're not going to update again. The thing even shocked the person. You shocked and way.
All this happened before Monica wore the dress. So when I saw this picture, I looked at this dress and I looked at the picture Monica posted. I was like,
Blessing, read get time.
This doesn't really, the dress on the right doesn't really look like, if you look at the patterns, I was like, it doesn't really look like this one. And it also doesn't 100% look like the one Rita was wearing. I was like, okay, let's just wait. One day Monica will wear it. When she wears it, we're going to find out. But I was also like, but how can Spirit Godsend be so sure that the picture on the right represents the dress Monica posted? Like, did Monica send Spirit?
Why be saying that one person did live video and they always call? Hello?
Hello.
I did live video.
Hello. Yeah, I know. I want to talk something, Mama.
Okay, talk on. Low what you they hear from. Low what you they hear from.
Okay. Do they hear me now?
Yes.
Now about the cloth. Your clothes and the cloth not be the same. You understand? Your clothes and the cloth not be the same, but the cloth fits you. For me, it fits you and you look good. But one thing I want to tell you, Rita, too much of pride.
That Spirit Godsend just like jumped into conclusion. Like, you can't be too sure of something to even put a picture of what is not the real thing. So I don't know how she came about this information or why. It's just so confusing. Like, why do you just assume? Why did you pick this particular sleeveless dress as the one Monica posted? Like, it doesn't make too much sense. It looks a bit like the one Monica posted, but it doesn't really look too much like it. So why do you assume it's this one, this sleeveless one? Do you guys see the dresses? So anyways, the confusion came about and Spirit Godsend was like, my eye is sharp, well, but your eye not really sharp, as we can see, because you really mix things up. So anyways, I just felt like, let's wait. When Monica wears it, we are going to find out. Oh my God, I have to do the fufu now. The water is boiling already.
So Blessing was not even having a lot to analyze on that video. She just wanted to make up a topic. We now see what she analyzed. I don't even see the reason why she even jumped on this video. When I look the video, I don't see the reason why she jumped out. But because I wanted to clarify something to you, Blessing, that is why I decided to play it to this 14 minutes. Because from there, everything that you were just saying was not even making any sense anymore. You continue to be talking to the followers. You was not even doing the analysis anymore, standard. You was not talking to your followers and talking to your people. There was nothing meaningful. The real meaningful stuff was done in 15 minutes to 20 minutes of the video that you did. So, like you said, you wanted to cash cruise. But let me tell you something. Honestly speaking, I don't have anything against anyone. When Vera started misbehaving on social media, calling my name for no reason, when she started using Vera to constitute nuisance, I just promised them something to say. The time they are going to finish, I will come and analyze their fight. And I did it on 2 videos like that, and that was all. Maybe that was the reason she wanted to be just dramatizing. Okay, now all right. Maybe that's why she wanted to dramatize. To me, I don't see anything wrong there. She wore a dress, my people, take it like that, please. Don't even take it as if she was jealous of me. No, she was admiring me, and she always admire me. She's my admirer. She's a big admirer of me, whether you like it or not. She's a big admirer. I know what I'm telling you. You know the social media with us. Now with the social media, she admire me too much, a lot. That is why she go to the extent of even saying, let me put what you wear for your body, for my own body. In my own case, I don't believe I would do that. And there is one thing when I know concerning that woman. Most of her acts, they are very childish. I know they look at like person we really get wicked out like that, say go just wicked you. But she blow things too much out of proportion to say how you come the drama where no even make sense. Children we no even get no senses at all. You go come the do and one overdo and maybe say they say na me do pass or na me no pass. That is what her character is. That is what I see in her. That is why most of the things where she do, she cannot use it to get to me, because me, I will just be laughing over it. You cash your cruise outside, you get your view, you cash your money. I cash my cruise inside, I get my view, I get my money. There's nothing I take at heart. All right. So the gown that you wore it out of the fact that you love the gown, and I appreciate that. After wearing your belt, after tying your tummy, it looks good on you. Yeah, your tummy not come too big. Those are the things you are supposed to be wearing. Gowns like that. All this big belly, what they call you. It go stop. Learn to also be wearing certain things like that. At least you learn something from me right now to say no matter how big your tummy is, you can always pack it and wear something fitting and body fitting. And you know, body fitting at any age, everyone can wear it. It depends on how you believe in yourself. Not be every time, everything with the fled. The last time I was talking about it on my video, she always come up with wearing things that are always flared, like people will get belly for belly. Believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, no matter the age that you are, you can still wear things where be say, it depends on how you pack your tummy. You have learned something now. The problem is that we don't admit that we learn from one another, but we learn a lot from one another. We don't admit it because we just want to use it to put the other person down. Likewise, she never admitted that she learned. You know, I see her as the person that I mentor on social media, whether you like it or not. I mentor her to be coordinating herself. When I came to social media, she was just like a person. Oh, that is someone. Oh yeah, na hikita no riba have na bizobo ya fe no remi wada. Yediogaje. Oh no, taka. I was even wondering at her character. She was not a composed person. Or what did disorganized? So her fans and the people she was watching on social media and other people, maybe her friend too, I don't know. She copied a lot. She imitated a lot, and she can't try to put herself together to be like. So what is it? I don't want my fans to blow it too much out of too much proportion. Come make her look like say no, you wear your gown to useless it. No, she learned something, and that is still watch it from today. If you will ever see her wearing things way too flat for belly again, from today you see her wearing sexy gown. She's not believing in herself. And when you buy expensive gown, Zara mount, the things where Zara mount, they say they bring belly come out. And that's where you do your shopping. If you do your shopping too much from AliExpress or Zara Mart, if you get big belly, no matter how you wear bet, go bring and come out. Because some of the things they say, all this 50 euro, 40 euro gown, they are not original. They are just gowns, but they are not original like that 100%. And anytime you use an dress, there is every possibility that your tummy will be big. Your tummy will come out, or your shape, the way it's not supposed to be, go be for inside. But when you buy something that is original, if you want to buy that gown, you have to hold something from 200 and 250 euros. Hold it from there before you go buy it. So something like that where you buy evening dress that is not like that. You get evening dress where they even sell for 1,000 euro. No. For 500 euro, when you go wear and you say, wow, I wear something. So she also just learned a new thing. This is how we learn on social media. This is how we learn from one another. It's saga to other people. It's miserable to other people. And other people catch their lesson and learn from it. She also just knew now that, oh, this is the kind of dress. If I bet up like this nicely, she tried. And she did a lot of work on herself, fight with her tummy to make sure that at least I look like Rita inside this gown. They will be like, yeah, I'm and she knew that was going to happen. She knew people were going to go and be looking for my picture and looking for her own. That's why we never wear anyone waiting at somebody wear. Because she knew it. She has been in this game for a very long time. She knew my picture was going to be put in her to accompany all those things. She just also wanted to scrap that area out. Where now they talk say I have a big tummy. This is how I see the whole scenario. This is how me I see it. I don't know whether you people saw it as apron or you saw it as this. Apron, all right, it's not a bad thing. If you wear your beautiful clothes that you have in your cupboard to cook for your husband, you have not done anything wrong at all. And you have not even peppered anybody. You just did something that was special to you. It was special to you. My gown was special to you. Your husband is special to you. Ogbono soup is special to you. Your kitchen looks beautiful for you. And you cook inside and you enjoyed yourself. You cash cruise and you got your followers and you got your fans and your views came and your money counted. And these are the things that are special to you and these are the things you just did. There was nothing hateful too much inside to say. Some other people will go to the extent of say, I will cut her into pieces. I can't use her and clean and shall go through. You didn't do that because you know that next time you need that gun. You need to wear it again when you remove one for your body. You need to wear it or you need to use it to collect thank you when you give it to somebody. All right? So that is it, my people. I don't want you people to blow it out of proportion. Blessing, this is how I see it. Apron is not a cost in my place. Apron is beautiful. Though in Greek tradition, in the tradition of Greek, where I come from, Greece, apron is respected. There is a time, if the people who are in Greece, they are here on this my video, they know it. There is a time and there is a tradition and an occasion where every woman wear apron to celebrate in the street. I've been alive, my Greek people. Now still remember, their traditional dressing is apron. That's what they used to give respect to their own tradition every year because the women are originally housewife in nature. So there's nothing bad about apron. Tissue is the lowest a person can go to say, oh, use your cloth to do tissue. That was nothing like that. Well, apron. It was apron. And apron represents food. It represents enjoyment. A soul healing something. Something that you will eat later. You will go lie down for bed. You will drink water. Say, wow, I don't chop. You see? And you also, you learn something. The cloth where you also get for inside your house. Now, if something is special to you, and then wear it and go and use it to cook for your husband. You see? Not be only cloth where you get the day where you want to go party now you remember say you get fine clothes for cupboard. Wear it and use it to cook for your husband. I learned something. You learned something. This is just what I wanted to talk about, my people. You know, I don't see it the way other people see it. I don't want you to be carrying it on your head, my fans, and be saying, they don't use your clothes. No, that wasn't my gown. That was a gown she admired from me, and she got a copy of it and she wore it. All right, and she loved it and she wore it. She proved the point to you people to say I can also wear a gown that is flat and my tummy will not be like bogo bogo bogo. So at least I did something I'm supposed to be accoladed and not talk down at my people. All right. Thank you for joining this video. How Nasia? May I read in a comment? Blessing, that is how I saw your video. Please don't make a mountain out of a mist sound where it not be anything. She didn't do anything special and she didn't rubbish my gown, but she placed a lot of emphasis on her own gown that she bought that was special to her to say she can use it to cook.